Today, we will know about the Aravali Hill and why it is in news, and we will also know about the legal issues. So, first, we will know what is Aravali Hill. Aravali Hill is stretching across Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, and Gujarat. This ancient mountain range has been protecting North India from desertification, supporting groundwater recharge, and housing unique wildfire for about 2.5 billion years. The Aravalis are in the spotlight for the new environmental and legal debate. Debate is a recent Supreme Court decision and government policy, which is Ministry of Environment, and redefined what counts as an Aravali hill. This focuses on landforms above 800 meter in the height. So it includes the height from ground, not from the sea level. And this has sparked concerns that nearly 90% of the range could lose its protection. Opening up sensitive areas to mining and construction, the limit of 100 meter is from the ground level, not from the sea level. That is why 90% of the Aravali hills at are not covered in the Aravalli definition. Cities like Chittorgarh, which is UNESCO World Heritage Site, and few sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries, and tiger reserves are also not covered in the Aravalli Hill areas. Environmentalists warn that if these hills are degraded, impacts could ripple from groundwater scarcity to worsening air quality in Delhi NCR and even increase desertification. Without Aravalli range, southwest monsoon will reach to the Uttarakhand and increase the intensity of cloud burst. And the excess amount of water in river Ganga would make the flood-like situation more worse in the part of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And dust from the Thar desert will reach the mountain, which cause the excess heating of Mount Himalaya and ultimately increase the ice melting. So we will furthermore know about the what is the main issue and its more parts. Thank you.
Oldest mountain range, the Aravali Hills, which was formed in Proterozoic era, which means approx 2 billion years ago. Now, the question arises that how it was formed. Actually, it was formed with the massive collision of tectonic. And if we go through his environmental background, we can find out that this region is very, very rich in biodiversity also. If this region will degrade, it will directly impact on the biodiversity, on the ecosystem, on the groundwater level, on the pollution of the entire region also. It will directly impact on Delhi NCR and the condition will be deteriorated. One of the landmark judgment, MC Mehta versus Union of India 2009, which says that the verbatim of the judgment said that we prohibit all mining activities in the entire Aravali Hills. Here, the exclusive word entire supports that the ban is not limited for some reason or some location. There are also many cases, Supreme Court cases, where Supreme Court provides optimistic view regarding the conservation of hills, regarding the conservation of forest and sanctuaries.
दिल्ली की सांस धीरे धीरे खत्म होती जा रही है और इसका रीजन है अरावली हिल्स का डिस्ट्रक्शन। अरावली रेंज जो दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी माउंटेन रेंजेस में से एक है, वो सिर्फ पहाड़ नहीं है, ये दिल्ली दिल्ली एनसीआर का नेचुरल एयर प्योरीफायर है। लेकिन आज डिस्पाइट कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स अरावलीज आर अंडर सीवियर थ्रेट। आज अरावलीज को सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान हो रहा है ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज से, जो कि है इलीगल माइनिंग। कानून के बावजूद माइनिंग ओपनली चल रही है, पहाड़ों को लिटरली तोड़ा जा रहा है। रैपिड अर्बनाइजेशन एंड रियल स्टेट एक्सपेंशन से कंक्रीट जंगल बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और फॉरेस्ट खत्म होते जा रहे हैं। इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल लॉज, रूल्स तो हैं पर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन बहुत कमजोर है। फॉरेस्ट लैंड रिक्लासिफिकेशन, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज के थ्रू फॉरेस्ट लैंड को कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए अलाउ किया जा रहा है और इन सब का रिजल्ट, लार्ज पार्ट्स ऑफ अरावलीज आर नाउ टर्निंग इनटू बैरन लैंडस्केप्स। अरावलीज का डिस्ट्रक्शन सिर्फ नेचर का लॉस नहीं है, इसका डायरेक्ट इंपैक्ट पड़ता है दिल्ली एनसीआर के क्लाइमेट पर। स्टॉर्म्स ज्यादा फ्रिक्वेंट हो रहे हैं, पीएम 2.5 और एयर पोल्यूशन लेवल डेंजरस हो चुके हैं, रेनफॉल और वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी कम हो रही है, टेम्परेचर्स बढ़ रहे हैं और हीट वेव्स वो तो कॉमन हो चुकी हैं। सिंपल वर्ड्स में अरावलीज के बिना दिल्ली का फ्यूचर और ज्यादा टॉक्सिक होगा। एक शॉकिंग रियलिटी, स्टडीज बताती है कि 30% से ज्यादा अरावली फॉरेस्ट कवर पिछले कुछ डिकेड्स में खत्म हो चुका है और साथ ही दिल्ली का नेचुरल एयर फिल्टर भी। अगर आज हम नहीं जागे तो कल सिर्फ फोटोज में अरावली बचेगी। ये सिर्फ इन्वायरमेंट का इशू नहीं है, ये हमारी हेल्थ, फ्यूचर और हमारी जिंदगी का सवाल है। सेव अरावली, सेव
To wrap this up, let's align on the big picture. Today, we saw the Aravalli Hills are not just old rocks or the empty land. They are one of the oldest mountain range in the world and a silent shield of protecting North India. They regulate climate, recharge underground water, stop desertification, and support the biodiversity. In short, they are doing the work that no artificial system can successfully do. We also discussed how unchecked urbanization, illegal mining, and weak enforcement have pushed the Aravalli to the edge. In the case of MC Mehta versus Union of India, Supreme Court have clearly stated that the economic development cannot come at the cost of environment destruction. But after that also, we face the same problem. We have the reality check in very simple. We see the Aravalli collapse. We see that Delhi NCR will face worse heat waves and the water scarcity, air pollution, and also the ecological imbalance. This is not a future problem. This is already happening. So we have to protecting the Aravalli Hills, which is not negotiable. It's not just a government's responsibility, but a shared duty of the institution, of the industries, and also the citizens. We have awareness, we have accountability, and respect the environmental law itself. Let's not wait for the damage. Development should move forward, but not by erasing the foundation which sustains our life. We have to go for the protection and we can do it. Thank you.